Daniel Radcliffe has been playing Harry Potter for more than a decade. He isn't typecast or anything, more like he played almost any character an artist could imagine. Radcliffe appeared as a farting corpse, assistant to Dr. Frankenstein, a medical school dropout, a political prisoner, and a video game designer. The role sums the actor in a significant box office talent, plus critics loves his performance, giving an above average rating every time a movie comes out. Indeed, he made a few slips in Now You See Me Too and Beast of Burden. Well, who doesn't? Overall, the portfolio is something significant no one can deny. Therefore, we are sharing the best Radcliffe movies, top to bottom, excluding Harry Potter. Imperium. Daniel Radcliffe is Nate Foster, a talented analyst for FBI who requires to go undercover to bust a criminal enterprise while maintaining his idealistic principles. Kill Your Darlings. A freshman in 1944 Columbia University, Allen Ginsberg, Daniel Radcliffe finds himself in a murder mystery to help a friend, the suspect in the demise of a university professor. What if? Radcliffe is a medical dropout burned by the several bad relationships. While on hold, he meets an animator, Chantry. After developing an instant connection, he soon realizes she has a boyfriend on her back. Swiss Army Man. Radcliffe played a character of farting corpse which helps a stranded man on an island to get through extreme atrocities of nature, quite like a Swiss Army knife. My Boy Zack. Radcliffe, as Zack Kipling, is the only son of famous British author Rudyard Kipling. From the Jungle Book, Zack joins the army for World War I and went missing, leaving his parents in grief, especially his mother, who was against the enlisting. Escape from Pretoria. After being held as a political prisoner for working with African National Congress, Tim Zankin, played by Daniel Radcliffe, and his colleagues perpetuate a plan to escape from ineluctable Pretoria prison. Woman in Black. Radcliffe is a lawyer given the task to investigate a village and supernatural force responsible for killing the local children. Zangal. Based on true survival of Israeli adventurer Yossi Ginsberg in treacherous Amazon rainforest, Radcliffe as Yossi, helpless without supplies, overcome the challenge of nature